there's the new generation's music will be, it'll have a synthesis of those two elements and some third thing that'll be entire. Maybe it'll be, it might rely heavily on electronics, tapes. I can kind of envision maybe one person with a lot of machines, tapes, electronic setups.
Out here, White Plains, New York right now. I'm absolutely exhausted right now. I just got done driving like 6.5 hours straight, losing my voice, and I feel like shit right now. So my neck's hurting. I got like a mean cough right now. I'm just a mess, man. It's like one time I lose my sleep, I get all screwed up. Hour and a half left until I get home, man. It was just such a good time, man. Huge shout out to all you guys that came up to me, said what up. Huge shout out to the homies, Lexington Park. It was just a really good time. Shout out to Gus, shout out to Shane, Brandon, all you guys. The cruise back was pretty sick, and it was definitely a good time. So definitely see myself going to another event soon. H-Day is always a good turnout with some cool people, man. So hope you guys like this little cruise vid. Shoot me a like, drop your comment down below.